Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove safe password on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. So once you open Instagram application, so here you can see you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Then you simply need to click on three bars and click on settings and privacy. But in account center, open account center, you can see the option of account, and you can see, but here you can see in password and security there is no option. So how you can do that? So you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone, go into the app management, click on app list, and here you need to search for the Instagram, and here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that your issue will be resolved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.